yak, a little more cutting up my banana.
Okay,
What am I supposed to do? Stick the whole thing in my mouth? I mean, oh, hello.
And that's when he found
We're
out
in here, Lois. He's napping. Relax. I'm gonna pop it back in.
his arm, bro. He's getting beat up. Dude is getting beat up.
Get in there. Come on. Hold still, Stewie.
Bro, get hit with my bike. Oh my god.
I'm not saying I like pain, but I'm not saying I don't like it either.
Stevie's a
Everyone,
funny
some
guy.
milk in the fridge is not milk, it's horse sperm. I'm a horse breeder now.
Dude. These moments got me
I come
today.
down here to think.
They got me today.